right here.
I'm so bored. I have nothing to do.
Wait. Today, what's today?
Today is... We're sucking up my happy birthday balloons.
I don't want to be anything.
I'm running out of air.
Me too.
That was my last one.
That's why I got
Have any 6 months?
more. The clothes is all on in there. Don't come and get my ear.
Let me get some.
All your clothes is in Muda, yeah.
Wait, I think I had a little. No. Let me get some.
Don't come over here jacking my ear.
Huh?
Wants to go Lowe's.
Huh?
Lowe's wants to go to.
Me.
Me! I still had some in my system.
Let me get some. They're my balloons anyways. So
Don't come over here.
where's your hole at?
That's why you gotta wipe it off because I'm still itchy. Am I still talking like it?
Oh my god, I'm permanent.
Yeah!
She's so retarded. It's not even funny anymore.
Okay, give me my
Right
balloon.
there.
You want to jack my style?
Right there.
That big old hole. That's why you got no air.
I don't agree with no air.
Don't come over here. One more time.
No, I already got a little bit
just
of
one more
something.
time. You killed me. I got a little bit.
Just one more time.
I already got a little bit. Just one more time.
No.
Okay, the rest.
Who's that picking up in it? No. Ew. I just have her spit all over me.
You're not even doing that right. You did the poor bag. I love. Man, we done. All our crack is gone. This is what we do when we're bored. Bye.